So in our previous video, we have created an object and accessed the attribute of the class. So now we will be seeing how to create a multiple object of a class and use the attributes of those class. So for this, let me first delete this program and create multiple objects. So we will be creating two objects, LR class 1 and LR class 2, type ref to ZCL class first class. And now we will create object class 1 and class 2. So here we have created two objects of the same class. Now let us try to access the attribute of the class using the objects, and let us assign the attribute some values and try to print it out. So for this, LR name first object and LR class 2 name second object, and write LR class name and write LR class name. So here we have created two objects referring to the class ZCL first class, and we are accessing the attribute name of that class and assigning some values like first object and second object to the attribute and printing it out. Let us check it and execute it. Activate it and direct crossing. We can press F8. I think as a ABAPer you all know about that. So here is the output. So this is how we create a multiple objects and access the attributes. So that's it for now. Meet you in the next video.